Guys, and we're gonna be playing some Among Us, and I'm not playing with my brother right now because, well, he's 5 years old. He want to be a YouTuber just like me, and he only does YouTube videos when he wants to. But we are gonna be playing some Among Us, but not just any kind of Among Us. We're gonna play no talking at all, which means, well, y'all should know what I mean by that, right? You can't talk at all in the chat. So wish me luck if I'm an imposter. And hopefully I win as an imposter. Oh yeah, and I almost forgot to say, but subscribe to my channel and leave a like. Alright guys, we're starting. Wish me luck if I'm an imposter. Hopefully I can do it. No way. Oh yeah, I almost forgot to say, but we're gonna do 3 rounds of this, and first round, I'm an imposter, guys. Oh, I don't like how they put the speed though. And why are you... What was following me? Who cares? Either way, I'm an imposter. So I can't talk at all. So pretty much, let's just see what they're saying. So Yellow's saying pink. And he was the one who clicked emergency. And now he left. So do I just skip? Like, I don't know. I'm just gonna skip. Cause I feel like, guys, for some reason it's saying like I left. But I didn't. That's so weird. Okay. I'll be back with y'all once the vote's over. Alright guys. Oh. If I voted pink, she would have been voted off. But I thought that like everybody would be skipping. But apparently no, guys. We have to kill like 3 more people. Alright, I'm not gonna like... So I have 1 as storage, which is wires. And boop boop. And boop. Now I know I locked myself in, but it's kind of like a chance for black to kill Cian. Oh. Hey. Oh. Okay. Somebody found Cian body. I can't talk at all, guys. Look, you can look through all the chat, and I didn't talk a single time. And they're not even sus of me. They're not even sus of me. Me and pink found body, so that's why blue saying it's not a pink. I wasn't back. So what's everybody doing? Like, dark blue is following me. What do I do, guys? Don't vote black? Like, what do I don't know what to do. What do I do, guys? I don't know. What do I do? What do I do? Should I just skip? I'm just gonna skip. I don't know. Oh! Shoot! Everybody voted black except for me. Now they're gonna be sus of me. Oh no. Oh no, reactor meltdown, guys. Let's hurry. Guys, wish me luck. No way, are we gonna win with the sabotage? No. No way. What? How? Oh my gosh. Okay. So I didn't talk at all, guys, and I actually won as an imposter. Guys, you have to subscribe and leave a like. Come on. I literally won as an imposter without talking. Alright. Oh, this time I'm a crewmate. Alright. Let's see. Map and navigation. Brown and Cyan are going over there. So let me real quick do this and go that way. Oh, red came in. Where's Cyan? Cyan should... Wait, what? Okay. I'm gonna go in electrical. Oh, black's there. Oh, wow. So many people are here. Okay. I'll be back with y'all once I have news or anything happens. Oh. Okay. Not gonna talk at all, guys. Be back with you once the voting is over. Okay, so bro said I came in electrical last. I'm pretty sus. I'm pretty sure. See, I'm voted too quick. I don't know who, like, what are we doing though? So, do we just... I'm just gonna skip because I don't know. They haven't said we were voting and stuff. Alright, guys, I'll be back with y'all. Alright, and it looks like... Wait, lime and purple voted me. You see, sometimes when we don't talk, it makes you sus. But, come on. I literally won as an imposter. Like, that has to be cool, right? Oh no, I'm scared to stay with these people. There's oh no. Good thing that I'm already beside this. Go, 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 go. Alright, I'm gonna go and do this. Nope. The cyan and blue were together. Oh, emergency, guys. I don't know why, but yeah. Purple's gonna say it to me because last round y'all saw that purple voted me. But I'll be back with y'all. Oh wait, I thought I paused it. Okay, guys, but orange stopped right before the saboteur, then went to wires. What are you talking about? I was moving. No. I know it's orange. Okay. No. You're gonna vote me out, guys. Is Albert... No. Okay, guys, if I get voted out, I'm just gonna join in a new game, and that will be the third round. Everybody voted except for me. I don't know, I voted purple. No, everybody did vote me except for black. Alright, guys, so apparently they weren't sus of me because I wasn't talking. They were sus of me because I stopped. I don't think I stopped, but let me know down in the comments below if you saw me stop. So I'm going to go ahead and join a new game, and that will be the third round, guys. Wish me luck if I'm imposter once again, which I think I'm going to do good. Alright, guys. Who am I? Oh, imposter, let's go. So this is the last round, guys. Alright, just gonna fake this task. When in reality, I'm sabotaging reactor. Oh no, guys, reactor. We have to fix it. Some people are leaving. Are we really gonna win with a sabotage, guys? What is Lime doing? Dang it! Oh no. Oh no, guys. Door's closed. What do we do? Oh, okay. Oh, hey. Let's go lock y'all two in there. Let's see, what should my next sabotage be? Or, you know, I'm trying to find, oh, I have an idea. Storage calf. There we go. Then we kill, and then we vent. I'm not. Oh, what do I do? I'm running away. Hey. Lights off. Oh no, somebody turned off the light. Let's go fix it, guys. Yeet. Oh no. Oh no. Something bad happened. Oh no, yellow kill. Shoot. I forgot, I can't talk. Oh no. What? I forgot I can't talk, guys. No. No, 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 no. Oh no. Oh no. I was gonna kill him and sneak away the other way, so oh no. I forgot I can't talk. Well, guys, guess I did bad on this one, but still did good on the first one. Alright. Should I just vote myself? Yeah, everybody's voting me, so I guess I'll vote for myself. I was looking through the chat. You see, brown voted me, red said okay, yellow's voting me. I don't know who purple's voting. But everybody voted me. Great. Alright, guys. Well, that's it for Among Us. And if you think I did really, really good, leave a like and subscribe to my channel. And what else should I do, guys? Leave a comment down below what you think other things I should do in Among Us. Well, guys, bye.